Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I want to share with you a very special recipe that I usually make around Eid time. So keep watching. So for this recipe you'll need 1 kg of lamb meat, 2 tablespoons of ghee. I'm using the store-bought Indus pure butter ghee. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of green chili paste, half an onion. So if you've got a small onion you can use a small whole onion, and if you've got a large onion you can just use half like I have here, and half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. So for the whole spices you can add in a few cinnamon sticks, a few peppercorns, a few cardamom pods and a few cloves. Remember, it's all optional. I actually forgot to put this in, so it doesn't really matter if you don't add it in. It's not for the taste, it's more for the fragrance. And if you are going to be adding them in, you would just first melt the ghee, then add in your whole spices, let it sizzle for a bit and then add in your onions. I've taken this clip from another video so I can show you the steps, but I forgot, so I just went and added the onions in. So for the onions, you don't want to brown them, you just want to leave them soft and translucent. That way the color from the green chilies and the haldi will actually come through. If you brown your onions, then the dish will have like a brownish tinge to it. So that's like with any dish. If you brown the onions, the deeper the color will be. If you want the color of the chilies to come through, so if you're using red, then reddish color, and if you're using green, then a greenish color, then don't brown the onions too much. Over here, my green chili paste also consists of coriander, so that will also contribute to the color of my dish. Then add in your ginger garlic paste, and with that add in your turmeric powder, your salt and pepper and your green chilies. Give everything a mix and then let it simmer for a little while and until everything is cooked. Cooking time for lamb will be around 1 hour, and for sheep it will be around 2 hours. If you want to speed up the process, then just put it in a pressure cooker and let it cook until it is thoroughly done. If not, then just add 1 glass of water, put it on a low flame, cover and let it cook until everything is thoroughly done. I usually make this recipe around Eid time or when I have a family gathering. So it never fails to impress, so I hope you make it also. In the meantime, if all the water evaporates and the meat isn't cooked, then just go and add in another glass of water, leave it on a low flame and let it cook until everything is thoroughly done. So here is the final completed dish. As you can see, all the water has evaporated and the meat is cooked. Garnish with coriander, and if you want to add some green chilies for decorative purposes, then you can do that as well. And I hope you enjoy this dish. If you followed my recipe, then let me know in the comments below how it turned out. I'll be showing you how I make my green chili paste very soon, so hit subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time.